So, I wanted to actually put together a video to show you some of the problems I had, and they were pretty basic but really annoying. Can't get the SD card reader working on this thing. First print, the one that comes pre-programmed in the box, really good. Second print, thought this thing was supposed to have spaghetti detection. Come in like an hour later after starting and you got that. So, wanted to change the filament out and go back to the PLA and print that again, because actually I'll show you, it turned out really good. This is one of the first pre-programmed prints that came in the beautiful adhesion on the plate. That was just the PLA that came with it. Really nice finish, no blobs or anything. It's what you expect for the price of this kind of machine. And then it stopped working. Couldn't get anything, couldn't program anything. I wanted to send my own print to it. So now I'm just in the midst of working out how to get this AMS apart, because it's not feeding. It's not feeding the filament. Here we go. Push that down. There we go. Get that out. Now, see if I can lift this up without breaking anything, and then work out. Let me see, got a twin wire there, and a 4 wire there. Okay, that's the inside of this. There's something stuck. Okay, what happened was, wouldn't retract the PLA filament there, and it had this dirty great big lump on it, and when I pulled on it, I think the end broke off and there's a big lump on the inside of it. Don't know if it had issues with swapping temperature, going from the carbon to the PLA. I'm not sure, but I do know that the AMS is now not feeding anymore. So I'm guessing something in here is not right anymore, and I'm not sure what we're going to have to do with this, but I think something's having issues here. Yeah, man, that little feed motor's bloody hot. Oh, not sure. Seems to be going through now. So hopefully nothing's in there blocking it anymore. I tried on the other ones. Maybe yeah. Alright, well, hopefully that motor's not cooked. It's bloody hot. Hope they got temperature sensing on that. Looks like it's a stepper motor too, so it's not like it's an easy fix. That's going to be fun. No warranty support, no one to contact, no one to order spares through, no one to send anything back. I reckon that little motor's not happy at the moment, is my thought. I reckon it got too hot from trying to feed that lumpy bit of PLA through. Let's see what happens. Alright. That's all good. This back into there. So yeah, if you want to take this apart, the bit for releasing the tube is actually inside there. I haven't seen that anyway. So let's get it back up on here, get it all plugged back in, and fingers crossed that that little motor is happy and not cooked, because it's bloody hot. First bit works. Right. Yes, this is an interesting one. I don't know when it reads. This is going to cause me grief. I don't know when it reads. Well, it's supposed to read the RFID. And these things always. That one's probably tangled up. Alright. Alright. We got green filament coming out the back. It's heating up the extruder. So I guess that's working. That motor on the back's not cooked. There was something in there that was stuck, probably a little bit of plastic or something. When I wriggle that through, it came clear. It's probably going to cause me grief down the track. I don't know. Didn't want to take it apart to see anything come out. So see what happens. But yeah, look. So we've got filament jam in the AMS. We've got not reading the SD card yet. I managed to get it. So what I'm actually trying to print here now is I sent it through the network from the computer. Yeah, I don't want to use this on the network, but we had to, and we're on a extender, and it doesn't work on the extender because it doesn't talk through the cloud. So that's one pain. Choose a slot, then press load. Okay, what we just did. Unload. Oh, see how we go. So I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.